Welcome. Today, we'll explore how simple it is to create multiple funnels using GrowthEdge CRM. With GrowthEdge CRM, you have the power to create countless funnels under your account seamlessly. The best part? You can manage them all without needing a full-time website developer. Let's dive into the steps that make setting up these funnels straightforward and intuitive. First, navigate to the funnel creation section within your GrowthEdge CRM dashboard. From here, simply follow the guided prompts to customize each stage of your funnel. Before you know it, you'll be mastering funnel creation and optimizing your marketing strategies effortlessly. First, let's log into GrowthEdge CRM. With our user-friendly interface, everything you need is right at your fingertips. Once logged in, click on Site, then navigate to the Funnels section. Here, you can see all your existing funnels and create new ones with just a few clicks. Click on Create New Funnel to get started. GrowthEdge CRM provides you with a variety of templates designed to suit different business needs. Select a template that fits your goal. Whether you're aiming for lead generation, sales, or webinar registrations, we've got you covered. Now let's customize. You can easily edit text, images, and videos. Add your unique touch to make it truly yours. Need to collect information? Add forms and surveys effortlessly. GrowthEdge CRM's drag and drop feature makes it simple and intuitive. Next, set up automation to nurture your leads. Schedule emails, send follow-up messages, and move leads through your sales pipeline with ease. Once you're satisfied, review your funnel and launch it. GrowthEdge CRM takes care of the rest, helping you track and analyze performance in real time. And there you have it. Creating multiple funnels is that easy with GrowthEdge CRM. Start transforming your business today. Visit our website to learn more and start your free trial. GrowthEdge CRM. Unlock the potential of your business.